Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Track off. Check all wheel system. Depress brake pedal to start. Track off. It's a 2014 Toyota Highlander, right?
Highlander.
Okay. Today we are going to check this car. We have a check engine light and we have a four-wheel drive or track off. So before we go crazy, let's just try to do a diagnose. Always try to diagnose the car before you figure out and go and buy rear end or ABS module. Okay, this is Maxim 6. I will go to diagnose. Here I will go by VIN. I will run an auto detect. Auto detect is very good. Okay, is this Cycon or Toyota? This is Toyota. And then I will go to accept. It will give me the VIN number in a few. You see already I have it here. And this is the VIN number for the car. Based on the VIN number, you will know exactly what year model is the car. I will say okay. It break down, decode the VIN. Decoding the VIN, now we have here, it's a radar cruise. This car have a radar cruise, right? I will say yes. Is the car have a smart key or without a smart key?
Smart.
Smart key push button like this. This is smart key. Without a smart key is ignition. So this car have a smart key. I will go here, and now does this car have tire pressure monitor sensor? Yes, it must be. The tire pressure monitor sensor is to show you if there is air in the system or not. Okay, this is a car, 2014 North America Highlander. I will say yes. Now we're gonna go into diagnosis mode. First, we're gonna look for two things, because the car keeps saying all-wheel drive, all-wheel drive. Why we have all-wheel drive? But before we go to all-wheel drive, while the car is running, we have a check engine light on. I'm gonna check the check engine light on, and then we will go back to the all-wheel drive. So right now, the establishing vehicle communication. It takes some time from 1 minute to 5 minutes. Okay, now if you want to do programming and customization there, vehicle profile, when you click it, it will take you again to give you the information of the car. HUD function, like you want to reset something, but I gotta go to diagnose. Do you want to make auto diagnose or one by one? I'm gonna go to control unit. Here we have an engine, airbag, main body, left mirror, a sliding roof. Some modules that are here maybe are not available in other cars. Everything for Toyota are here, but you may not have all this. So it's not everything that is here is yours. You can click in the module. If it's not available, it will not communicate. So if you are using dealer tools, it will show you right away that this module is fitting or not fitting. But here it gives you everything, and you will not know till you have to do the when you go to it. So now my concern is two things: engine, and then ABS. I don't have no problem with the ABS. What they call the 4x4, and this is four-wheel drive. This is two problem I have. So I'm gonna go back where I go. I click something by mistake. I'm gonna escape. This is a touch screen, so try to come directly from far. Don't go and play here. It will cut sharp, like just a magnet. Okay, so I gotta go to engine, and I will say yes. Now it will communicate with the engine, and it will give you all the function of the engine. You want to see the data, a special function. Let me go to trouble code. Trouble code of the engine. What we have? Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 codes. 2 of them are the same. 3 of them are 1. 1, 2, 3 are 1 code. So we have only in this general we only have 2 codes. One is pending, current, history. So all these are history. Review themselves again, they come back, and then again also here startability, misfire. Here he says cylinder number 3 misfire, cylinder number 3 misfire. I'm gonna take a picture of this one, and we are going to delete this, and then we're gonna see it again, or there is another more to know. What you need to do is I'm gonna clear all this code. Yes, I'm gonna clear all these codes. Okay, I clear it. I'm gonna read the codes. Gonna be no codes. Now, do we have a, now we're gonna go back to our 4x4 before we have to do another thing. No, I mean full all-wheel drive. Here, I'm gonna click this. I'm gonna click here. And then I will click on OK. I want to see what code. Trouble code. There is no trouble code. Why there is no trouble code? Because there is no problem at all in 4x4. The only problem because the check engine light, it will affect the 4x4.
No, check engine light.
When the check engine light come on,
it's coming with the light one.
Yeah, because when you have a check engine light on, it will send signal to the 4x4 to reduce, or the 4x4 will catch a code and say, look, the engine is not running good, I'm not gonna run good. So there is no problem in the 4x4. This is why when we go back, when we coming here to 4x4, we don't have no problem because we delete the code. You understand? Because we delete the code of the engine, now the 4x4 is gone. I remember before when we check it, we have it. Right now, when you start the car, there will be no 4x4. I'm gonna start it right now. Before you're gonna see check all-wheel drive or anything. Now he say welcome and good to go. Track is off. Tracking is off. That's a different story. Where is the tracking switch? Also, the tracking also will get effect sometime. Okay, I don't know where is the tracking is. Tracking is off, but let's try it.
Here.
Where? In that place? See if you push it. Okay. Let me see. No. Okay. Yeah, it's on now. Now it's off. Now it's on. You see now? Off. On. So you're gonna leave it like that. So let me see something here. You don't need tracking on and off now, but leave it off because there is no rain, there is nothing. Why are you looking for it? I want to see ABS. Do you have anything? Do you have any code in the ABS? Trouble code? There is no code. So we're gonna go back. We have one problem here now. We're gonna go back to our engine. You remember we have a misfire and a startability problem on the engine. We're gonna look, is the code gonna come back or not? Trouble code. Cylinder number 3 misfire. I don't have nothing. So I gotta go to live data. I wanna see if cylinder number 3 is misfire or not by the data. Like somebody in the hospital and they put that, you know, the graphic beep beep, and you see things go up and down the heartbeat. We have a way of looking at it here now. So keep going down till you're gonna get cylinders misfire. When you get cylinder misfire, Mahmoud.
What do you see?
Okay, there is no problem in the 4x4. Cylinder number 3 misfire, very bad, creating the system to, you know,
Confusing the system.
yeah, creating the 4x4 and ABS to go into limb mode.
Number 6?
Number 3.
Number 3 cylinder.
Cylinder number. I'm gonna look at it now in the data, if it's still misfiring.
Maybe it could be the coil pack there.
I don't know, but I'm looking for the misfire now to see if I have misfire. It will tell me. You see here, everything look okay. I'm going down still. This car have more than 1,000. You see, this is a misfire. You see now? You see? This one is not misfiring, 0. This one here is misfiring, 43. Everything is 0 misfire. Number 6, 0 misfire. Number 4, 0 misfire. Number 2, 0. But number 3 is missing very bad. You see? It's counting up. You see? And this one, as soon as the computer checks this one, it will light up. It will light up the.
Well, that's crazy though. He don't even
Let
pull
me
out.
show. Let me show.
He
You
don't
see?
even pull out checking.
You see how he? Yeah. No, he pull out. When we check, we found it. We found he have it. You see? This misfire. Look. Look how it's going. It's go down and go up, go down. You see? This one is straight, no misfire. If you want to check it different way, let me see. Let me see here, like this. You see here? Misfire. Let me check this one. Misfire is going up. The zero misfire. Look at this.
It's jumping too.
Yeah, it's going from here. It's go. Keep misfiring. Look. You see how it's going? 41, 42, 84, 80, 60, 70, 80, 71, 90. You know? Then start all over. Everything other than that, all the others, they are good. Let me check it this one. Also, I can check it different way. I can check it different way. Let me go by ampere. You see, this is the way that we have it before. Let me go to this one. You see, misfire. It's just to show you, just like the same way like you are in the hospital. You understand? Misfire is very bad here. It's go and come back. Everything, all the other people are good. See this? No misfire. This number 5. No misfire. Number...
That's crazy. You can't even feel in the car misfiring.
Yeah, but it's there.
You can't even feel.
And, yeah, and when you drive a little bit and check engine light come on, right away the 4x4 wheel drive will come in. So you drive your car with a misfire, you think that, oh, my transmission is no good, oh, this one is no good, but actually there is no problem at all. The problem only that you have a misfire on cylinder number 3. It could be injector, it could be a coil, it could be a spark
That's
plug.
minor anyway.
Yeah, so
the number 3 is in the back or no front?
I'm not
right?
sure now. You're gonna go. Okay, right now we're good with this one here, and we know what's going on, so we don't need to go farther from here. I believe this is good. And the other one also. So that's it. So we can't do nothing on this one here. We have the
Yeah, well,
the
if the manifold have to come. Can you check which one is number 3?
I'm not sure, but we're gonna go now. If you wanna go look at it here, you come here and you go to your internet here, browser, and then here go to Google, and then from the Google say 2000 what?
14.
2014.
That's I-2.
2014 Toyota. So we're gonna come here, Toyota Highlander, 2014 Toyota Highlander. What they call fire order, not firing order. Firing order. Now here, firing order. I'm gonna go to image. Okay, go to image. The image will tell you this is your engine. This is the front of the engine. If this is the front of the engine, so this engine is straight or?
It's not straight. Is it straight? No.
Engine is this way or? Okay, on the right side. This one. So the fire order is this one. This is the engine. So this is the engine. The one on the. Yeah. So the front. Number 3 is the front. You see here?
It's not straight engine.
Yeah. So V6.
So number 3 is in the back.
Yeah. No. In the front.
Front?
No. This is the front and this is the front of the engine. So in the back, the middle one.
So then you have to.
Yeah, you have to take the.
Yeah, then I have to take the manifold out.
Yeah, you have to take.
No?
Okay.
No, I'm sure.
If I'm gonna go here.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, sorry about that. Now we have here. Those are YouTube videos that it can help you to have more information. But number 3 is the one in the back, in the middle one. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. This is Muhammad Idris. Please subscribe, share, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask, and we see you in another video. Thank you.